Inviting someone outside your organization to a Microsoft Teams meeting can feel a bit tricky at first. You might be unsure how external guests will join, what they'll have access to, or how to keep everything secure. Teams offers several ways to bring in external users, but the options can work differently depending on your settings and their account type. Here's how to invite external users to a Teams meeting and manage guest access securely. Go to Microsoft Teams and open the Calendar tab. Click New Meeting and enter your meeting title, date, and time. In Invite Attendees, type the external guest's email address. After filling out the details, click Send. Open the meeting from your dashboard and select Meeting Options. Here you can manage who can bypass the lobby or who can present. Once you're happy with your preference, click Save. Once external guests are involved, keeping accurate notes matters even more. Using an AI note taker like Tactiq ensures nothing gets missed. As soon as your team's meeting starts, Tactiq opens a live transcript so you can stay focused on the conversation. You can also use the Ask Tactiq AI feature to point out key details or follow up questions while you're inside the meeting. After the call, Tactiq generates AI summaries, highlights key points, and pulls out action items. No need to rewatch the meeting. You can export your notes to tools like Google Docs, Notion, or Slack. Try Tactiq for free today. Don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft Teams productivity tips.